we obtain the result, the probability of drawing the balls from first box, second box and the third box, that is equal probability. Then we obtain the from the first box the conditional probability drawing the ball 2 by 15, from which we are obtaining the come from first box using the Bayes theorem. So this is the first box, B1 is the first box. Probability of B1 into probability of A given B1 by probability of, that is summation of I equal to 1 to 3 probability of Bi into probability of A given Bi. So this is the general notation. Here only 3 box. So you have to replace in the numerator supposed to be the third box, the probability of B3 into probability of A given B3. But in the numerator the value is same. That value is same. That is probability of B1 into probability of A given B1. Probability of A given B1 plus probability of B2 into probability of A given B2 plus probability of B3 into probability of A given B3. So this value is common for the first box and second box and the third box. Okay, so this denominator is the common for all the 3 boxes, but only the numerator will differ. Suppose the first box you have to consider only the first box conditional probability, probability of A given B1. Then for the second box the conditional probability, probability of A given B2, you have to substitute. For the third you have to substitute the probability of C given B3, that is 3 by 15. Probability of this is equal to B 3 by 15. So probability of A B1 into probability of A given B1 by this is numerator by denominator, probability of B1 into probability of A given B1 plus probability of B2 into probability of A given B2 plus probability of B3 into probability of A given B3. You have to substitute, you are getting the 2 by 11. Similarly, for the second box you are getting, instead of first box, that is second box probability is common because probability of A1, probability of A and the probability of B, probability of C equal to 1 by 3 you have to substitute. But the conditional probability P of A by B2, that is equal to 6 by 15 you have to replace. But in the denominator that all the values are same. Similarly, probability of A given B3. In that question they may ask sometimes in the 5 mark only from the first box or second box or third box. But in that 10 mark question or 15 mark question they may ask that the first box and the second box and the third box. Only the difference is you have the conditional probability you are obtained in the earlier sessions, probability of A given B1, that is 2 by 15. Probability of A given B2 6 by 15, probability of A given B3 that is 3 by 15. Only you have to replace for the corresponding first box and the second box and the third box. This is the important Bayes theorem examples. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Thank you.